बरदरान वाला तबार, अब मैं बड़े अदब से मुल्तमिस हूँ अपने भाई जनाब खवार महमूद साहब से माइक पर तशरीफ़ लाएँ और अपने मखसूस अंदाज में अपना पैगाम भी पेश फरमाएँ और हुजूर की महफ़िल मिलाद में अपनी हाज़िरी लगवाएँ। जनाब भाई खवार महमूद साहब तशरीफ़ लाते हैं और हमारे क़ुलूब व अज़हान को अपने माफ़ी ज़मीर से मुनव्वर फरमाते हैं।
गालिब सनाए ख्वाजा बेयज़दां गदाश्तैन,
क्या कह रहे हैं, बहुत हो
कां ज़ात पाक मर्तबा दाने मोहम्मद अस्त. And this is something which is important for us. If any of us think that they know about Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his personality, the real himself, no one of us is worthy to know. It's except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, based on different hadiths, that is the case. But there are two things, two incidents or two historical points which tells us what we can learn from the life of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One, which you might have heard many times in Mecca, Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw an old woman having a lot of stuff and finding it difficult to carry to her house. And Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam approached that lady and picked her stuff up and took it to her house. And as a matter of thanks, that lady responded and asked Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "You are a very kind person, and I want to give you an advice." Why? Because I feel obliged to give you that advice because you are a nice person. Now, what advice did she give? She told Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that there is a person who is a magician. He has separated brothers from the brothers and parents from the kids, and all relatives, they are separated. And I want you to be careful about Muhammad. And Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told that lady that I am that Muhammad. And as a result of that, that lady converted into Islam and accepted it. So the key is that if in this environment we go and wherever we can help and we can deliver, sometime you go on the road and you find that there is something which need to be taken away. There is a branch, there is a nail, there is something. But having that heart of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and taking care of the things, that matters, and it does make a difference. As a person living in this society, this is a sunnah of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second incident is, which I quote today, is the day of Ghazwa Hunain. At a time when Muslims, they were almost more than 14,000, and Hawazin, that tribe, they had less number, and Muslims, they thought that, oh, we have taken over when we were 313 and we were successful in the less numbers, and this time our number is higher. We will be successful. And soon the arrows, they started to come toward Muslims. Those 14,000 people, they ran away. And some of the historians, they have said that only a couple of hundred people they left. And at that time, Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he got off from the camel and said, "Ana nabiyullah kazib, Ana ibn Abdul Muttalib. I am the one, the prophet who does not lie, and I am the son of Abdul Muttalib. And took the flag on his own hand and then asked, Ya Ashabul Badr ilayya. O Ashab Badr, come towards me. And those people who did Baitur Rizwan, Ya Ashabul Rizwan, come towards me. So as a result of that, all of those people did return. This shows that when you find yourself alone in this type of environment, when too many people, they are coming towards you, at that time, standing in there and holding that fireplace and holding that situation and bringing yourself, okay, I'm a Muslim. And in this environment, you would find that many times you are challenged, you are humiliated, or you are targeted based on your belief. So when you find yourself in that type of situation, then we need to remember that Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself stood up at a time when arrows they were being pointed, and faced that whole situation head on. May Allah give us tawfiq to continue doing good in this society.